Meet Alex. He works at a federal agency juggling outdated systems, endless reports, and tight deadlines. Sound familiar? Enter Gemini for Government, Google's new AI platform built just for US federal agencies. Think of it like an all-in-one AI toolkit, packed with powerful tools like Notebook-LM, your AI-powered research assistant, VO for generating rich media and video, Enterprise Search to find what matters instantly, and customizable agents to brainstorm, summarize, or solve. Worried about security? Gemini is FedRAMP, high authorized with government-grade encryption, access controls, and threat protection. And here's the kicker. It costs less than 50 cents per agency per year. Yes, really. Through a GSA agreement that runs through 2026. In a world racing to modernize, Gemini helps government agencies go from slow and siloed to smart, secure, and AI-ready. Gemini for Government. The transformation has already begun. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips, reviews, and breakdowns every week. Got questions or something you want us to cover next? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, stay updated, and keep exploring the future of AI tech and science.